Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you how to add the bokeh light in a photography and how to add that and how to add the preset. I made a preset for you guys and I'll provide you that preset download link in my video description and another color tone in your photographs. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. I'm closing it out and go to the open options, and here is my stock image. I'll provide you that stock image download link in my video description, and after that just drag it and drop over here. You'll get a new copy of this layer and go to the filter, camera filter. Camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the camera filter in your Photoshop, please check out my video description. You'll get a small menu over here and go to the load settings options and just add the light, that is the XMP file. And what I have done in my XMP settings, let's see. Here is the basic options, plus 37 for the temperature, warm look for the face, and minus 14 for the tint, and the highlight minus 10, shadow 59, and clarity minus 23, dehaze minus plus 8 for the clear view, and the vibrance 17. And then tone curve, I locked it here, here, and here, the 3 points, and I just made it down here and made it up over here. And other color I didn't touch that. So after that, go to the detail options. Here you are getting all the things is like okay, and luminance of noise reduction 25, and then the HSL panel, hue, saturation, luminance, hue, percent. Hue is a color, which color will be saturation, percentage of color, and luminance, intensity of the color. So here 38 for the orange for yellowish look, and minus 70 for yellowish look as well. Green minus 58 for yellowish look. Aqua look, I'm just making it 68, and the blue minus 10, purple 19, and magenta 52. Saturation, I didn't touch any kind of saturation except the red color, I made it 52, and the luminance 42 and 39 and 23. That's good. The split toning, you know what is the split toning? Highlight color and shadow color. And what will be the highlight color? It defined with the hue 104 and the saturation 28. And what will be the shadow color? From shadow hue 257 and the saturation 22. No lens correction issues and no dehaze or effects options, and directly in a camera calibration. Red primary color 27 and the green primary, that is 48, and the blue primary minus 54 for the aqua look, and hit OK. You'll get the new look of your photographs. Yeah, that's fine. And after that, I'll add the bokeh. Go to the file and place embedded. I downloaded that bokeh from the internet, and I'll provide you that download link in my video description. And press the shift button and hold it and rotate this bokeh, and press the alter button and make it bigger like this. So you can adjust all the things, all the stuffs like this. So it will be, yeah, that's fine. And hit the tick button, and after that go to the blending mode and make it screen. So after that you can change it out. Press Command or Control T and right press, and over here the flip horizontal, so it will be like this. Yeah, I think this one is more creative than the before one, and hit the tick button. If you want to adjust the light, go to the adjustment layer and go to the levels. From here you can control the lights from here. I'll adjust the light. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. And then go to the adjustment again and go to the solid color and choose a color from here, color picker, and make the blending mode into soft light. And you can change the color if you want. So I want to give the color like this. Yeah, that's good. Or you can change it up. Which one is perfect for your photographs, I don't know. You can adjust or you can add the color from here, so that's fine. And if you need, you can change the opacity or fill color from here as your wish to do that. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on the video comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notification of the video tutorials. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.